Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Allen County in south-central Kentucky, southeastern Warren County in south-central Kentucky, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Three Springs, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bowling Green, Hardcastle, Allen Springs, Ponsville, Green Hill, Settle, yes, Raleigh Ford, Halifax, and Claypool.
Yes?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.